Hello and welcome to making a double-decker peanut butter, jam, and banana sandwich. First thing you do is you put the peanut butter on and you spread it on bread. And then you can add in the jam. And spread the peanut butter on the other bread. And after that, you cut the banana into slices. And you put on here, on the bread it goes. And you put the peanut butter onto the bread once more with a little bit of jam. Okay, and after that you put the banana onto the bread. And after that, you put it on top, and here you go. Here is your peanut butter, jam, and banana sandwich, which is double-decker. Thank you for watching.